That the BJP will not bring a no confidence motion against Gehlot government, but they are keeping a watch on developments. Says that no invite has been sent to pilot, but if someone wants to join the BJP, they're truly welcome. This is a word coming out from the BJP itself. Rajasthan's BJP president, the chief of the BJP in the state, Satish Punia, there says that the BJP will not ask or even bring about a no confidence motion against the Gehlot government, but they are keeping a close watch on developments. Says that no invite has been sent to pilot, but if someone wants to join the BJP, then they're most welcome. Well, let's quickly cut across to Dev Ankur joining us for more details. Dev, the president of the BJP unit in Rajasthan, Mr. Punia, they're saying that we're not going to call for a no confidence motion. We're going to wait and watch. Who wants to join the BJP, they're more than welcome. This is on one hand luring Sachin Pilot as much as they can. We hear that's been what the BJP has been trying to woo Sachin Pilot on one hand, but on the other hand, they're not quite sure that even if Sachin Pilot does join the camp, what's the kind of strength that he'll bring into the BJP? He has 18 MLAs as per now. They need a good 15 more to really strengthen the BJP's hold there. We understand the BJP is now going to adopt the wait and watch policy.
Well, clearly in the Rajasthan Assembly, everything will boil down to the numbers, leaving the semantics, the symbolism and the politics aside. If a floor test is called for, then the Speaker of the Assembly will watch whether the government of the day has the numbers or not. And during the last chat that I had on air with the leader of opposition, Gulab Chand Kataria, he mentioned as much. He said that we are adopting a wait and watch policy. We do not have the numbers right now, and whatever the pilot camp does, we are closely monitoring that, but we of our own will not call in for a floor test, because clearly the BJP does not have the numbers in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is not Madhya Pradesh. There is a considerable gap between the BJP and the Congress. The BJP knows that, and it's dependent upon Sachin Pilot. So far, the numbers that we are given to understand Sachin Pilot has is around 20. Pilot would need at least 30 MLAs, including the Congress breakaway faction and the independents, to be able to have any chance of having a shot at mentioning that that the government is in minority, the Gehlot government is in minority, and that he wants to stake claim with the help of the BJP from the outside or as a coalition. That, as of now, BJP believes is not happening. That is why time and again BJP senior leaders in the state have mentioned that they are adopting a wait and watch policy. They also claim that this is an internal rift which has exploded in the open, and as of now, until Sachin Pilot comes out and speaks in public about the entire matter, there is not much that they can do about it.
Absolutely. Dev Ankur, do stay with us. We do have quite a few reactions on this. While really Pilot denies that he has any plans to join the BJP, the Saffron Party too may not be too keen to induct him. BJP central leadership is now aware of the sway enjoyed by former Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje